I'm Alexiz Gutierrez.
And I'm Gloria Kim.
Coming to you from Greenleaf First Grade. Do you ever think about how to engage your students during reviews or even checking for understanding?
Well, we have the answer to that.
Kahoot.
And
this is our topic for this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. Alright, here we go. In order to access Kahoot, you can use Google or you can make it an app in your class link. You will click the plus sign, click on your search, and start typing Kahoot. Here you will see Kahoot Teacher. Go ahead and add. And when you add your application, you're going to see it at the very bottom of all your apps. So you go ahead and click Kahoot. Now, I'm already signed in, but when you want to create a Kahoot account, you're going to see this part. Now, in order to sign in with your Splendora email, just click Continue with Google. Click on your Splendora email, and it would automatically create your account for you. Now, if you're looking for a game in order to review or checking for understanding, you're going to click on Discover. I'm going to go ahead and click for math because I'm trying to look a game for math. I teach elementary first grade, so we have suggested filters, elementary math, and I'm going to go ahead and click on levels, on filters, and click first grade, and make sure you apply the filters. Now, I'm going to go ahead and look for a game that goes ahead with their math facts. Here goes a game. It has 10 questions. You can automatically play the game, but I see here that the students are given 10 seconds. Our students have been practicing timing themselves to answer each question. So I'm going to go ahead and click Edit, and you're going to duplicate the game. That way you can edit your own game. So here I see that I have a time limit. I'm going to go ahead and change that time limit, and I'm going, instead of 10 seconds, I'm going to give them 30 seconds. Now, if you don't want to give out points, you can also click on points on standard, and you have options. You could do it standard, double points, or no points. I will go ahead and keep it at standard and click back. Now, you go to each one and changing the times. And when you're done, you go ahead and click save. And here you can automatically play or just click done. I'm going to go ahead and click play. That way you get the chance to see. You have it to where you can teach it. They can be in groups or assign it. I'm going to go ahead and click teach. And then the screen will pop up with the code that the students are able to get in and start naming their groups. I'll click classic. And there it goes. It says get ready to join. It'll give them a pin, and then they'll go ahead and sign in.
The links and tutorials for Kahoot can be found under the Digital Learning button on the SISD Teaching and Learning Hub. Just press on Canvas button on the class link portal and open up the Teaching and Learning Hub. Then choose the Digital and Learning button to find the app and lots of other great tools.
Thank you for spending time with us.
Meet us here back next week for another
Tech Tip Tuesday. Bye!